Hi, I'm Marc Cook from Twisted Throttle. Experienced riders and motorcycle owners know that chain maintenance is one of those things you just have to learn to live with. Now, it doesn't have to be that way. The core idea behind the Scottoiler device is to deliver a small amount of specialized chain lubricant directly to the chain, and to do it automatically. Now, currently, Scottoiler offers two basic systems: the vacuum-operated vSystem, which uses engine vacuum to trigger the delivery of chain oil, and this, the eSystem. The eSystem shares essential architecture with the vSystem, at least in concept. A 60-milliliter reservoir holds enough optimized lubricant for almost 2,000 miles of riding. A discrete set of hoses deliver this oil directly to the inside of the chain, usually at the bottom of the rear sprocket. From there, the lube travels with the chain to do its thing. Where the eSystem is different comes down to this, the electronic controller. Where the vSystem is either on or off, and the amount of flow is set by turning a dial on the reservoir, the eSystem uses an electronic solenoid in the reservoir to manage flow. This puts full control right at your fingertips. The eSystem uses an internal accelerometer to determine if the engine is running. That's why it's important to power the system directly from the battery, not a switch power source. Now, this setup allows the system to go to sleep when you shut down the bike and wake up when it senses the engine is started. Once the display is active, you'll see a lot of information. There's an ambient temperature display and a clock, plus a dial showing the accelerometer activity. Now, that's really helpful in the case that you want to check the threshold for your bike. The flow rate currently set is also on there. Now, even better, you can adjust the flow rate literally on the fly using the set key. This feature ensures the system will apply just the right amount of lubricant for the temperature and the weather conditions you're riding in. How much is enough? You're looking for a setting that sufficiently lubes the chain without evidence of splatter or fly-off on the rear wheel or swing arm. If you see oil anywhere but on the chain, it's probably flowing too much. A good rule of thumb, a drip rate of about 1 per minute is sufficient for most bikes. But the cool thing about the eSystem is that you can experiment easily without having to get your hands dirty. And understand that the eSystem doesn't flow oil until your motorcycle is actually moving. That ensures you'll only use oil when it's needed. So right now, the eSystem fits a wide range of chain drive bikes and can be ordered with either standard or high temperature lubricant to get you started. Refills, of course, are readily available. To learn more about this system, visit our website at TwistedThrottle.com. Remember to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.